Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using these tools. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of name of tool software from MediaFire Link, exploring its functionalities, benefits, and potential drawbacks. As someone who has spent a considerable amount of time utilizing this resource, I'm excited to share my insights and demonstrate how you can maximize its potential. Whether you're a seasoned user or completely new to name of tool software from MediaFire Link, I believe you'll find this walkthrough valuable. We'll be covering everything from the initial setup and configuration process to more advanced features and techniques. I'll also be highlighting some common pitfalls to avoid and sharing some tips and tricks I've discovered along the way. One of the key aspects we'll be focusing on is Mention-Specific Feature 1 from MediaFire Link. This feature allows you to explain what the feature does and its benefits. I'll be demonstrating precisely how to use this feature effectively through a practical example, showcasing how it can streamline your workflow and enhance your overall experience. We'll also delve into Mention-Specific Feature 2 from MediaFire Link and discuss its unique capabilities. This is a particularly powerful tool for I explain the use case of Feature 2. I'll be walking you through the steps involved in utilizing this feature and providing some real-world examples of its application. Furthermore, I'll be addressing some of the common challenges users face when working with name of tool software from MediaFire Link and offering practical solutions to overcome these obstacles. For instance, many users initially struggle with mention a specific challenge. I'll be providing a clear and concise explanation of how to address this issue and ensure a smoother user experience. Finally, we'll be exploring some of the more advanced features of name of tool software from MediaFire Link and discussing how they can be leveraged to unlock its full potential. These advanced features, while perhaps initially daunting, can significantly enhance your productivity and open up a whole new world of possibilities. Remember to check the description for all the relevant links and resources mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.